So, what's up guys? Good morning. It's already 5 a.m. So, we will start our exercise this morning. So, for that, sapatos na guys. Let's go! Before we start our exercise guys, let's start it with a warm up or stretching guys. Let's go! So, what's up guys? For now, we'll start our exercise for walking. So now guys, well, jogging na naman tayo. So, dul pa lang gani, hangat na. Let's go. Karon guys, wala tatakabot o mga 1 kilometer bro. Hangat na kayo guys. Bro, kaya na. This is for our health. This is our health and wellness. It's almost 2 kilometer na. So, halag mo lang pas sa gamay. Mga balik din ta. Kaya, hindi lang kay jogging ang buhaton or walking. Abangan niya guys, dapat ilaing buhaton. Let's go! Sapit ata 2 kilometer, pumaman balik din ta, and then hanap tayo lang yung buhaton guys. Yo! Karon guys, okay guys, lamig itong paminaw, no? Ay, gawas itong mga singot guys. So, nakapakuntaan nyo guys, kailan mo ni show guys. Sige bitaw, buwan nga dagan show, tara show. Kana to sa 2 kilometers, so balik kita guys para sa lahat ng set na activity. So let's go. So karon guys, so balik na ta. So bago ta maulit sa balay, no? Nasa tayo ba ito na lahat na activity. So tara guys. So, karon guys, paulit na ta. Dito na sa balay guys. Let's go. So guys, manaman daw og exercise and manabot daw sa mga bulaton dali sa balay. Let's end this video with a cup of coffee. So remember guys that health is wealth, but health with God is more healthier.